My journey of breaking the wall of malnutrition started in the year 2015 in the rural Odisha as part of my Social Innovation Immersion Program, which is a flagship initiative of the DBT BIRAC to identify the gaps and challenges in the maternal and childhood. During the program, I immersed in the rural parts of Odisha to identify the ground realities by having discussions with the stakeholders, numerous visits to hospitals to come up with the problem statements. After brainstorming, we identified that malnutrition is the major underlying factor for the increase in mortalities and morbidities in the maternal and child health in the odd 150 problem statements. Despite the government being launching many initiatives and implementing the health initiatives in the different state governments, the problem of malnutrition still persists. With this question, we, Kiran and Ruchi, embarked our journey to impact 2 billion lives by co-founding Cerelia Nutritech to develop affordable, accessible, available nutrition interventions to tackling the problem of malnutrition, which is rampantly called as hidden hunger.
The Indian government spends close to around 26,000 crores every year on various nutritional initiatives. This also involves free supplementation of iron and folic acid. Despite the government spending so much, the problem still persists. The statistics are extremely shocking. Barely 35% of the women adhere to these regimens of the free supplementation. We tried to find out what could be the reason. And the reasons were something very simple to something very complex. Something very simple like the women did not like the taste, or something very complicated like less bioavailability, the stomach disturbances, changes in stool color, which deter these women from taking the supplementation. We thought of coming up with some product which would not only solve the problem of malnutrition but also which the women would love to use rather than being compelled to use. Hence, we came up with our first product, the flagship product of Cerelia Nutritech IU, which is a combination of vitamin B12, iron, and folic acid in form of a transdermal micronutrient lotion. Through our 3 years of research, we have come up with a technology, Ceriderm, which is a patent-pending proprietary technology of Cerelia Nutritech, which has also been expanded not only to these 3 vitamins but also to multiple other nutrients like vitamin D, vitamin A, something in pain management, and nicotine replacement. The same technology could also be expanded for other applications like easy to use applications, a ready to mix powder with juices or beverages, and certain other oral supplements as well.
According to our research, there are no competitors in the existing form, but there are some products like PatchMD, NutriBand in the Western market where they deliver micronutrients in the form of patch or sprays. But surprisingly, there is no scientific data providing the claims which they treat the nutrient deficiencies. Our product is uniquely positioned between a cosmetic and the OTC range of products. In terms of the go-to-market strategy, we have 4 models. One, it's a B2G where our product can be introduced into the various governmental schemes to reach the rural mass, and we can also leverage the last mile delivery network of the NGOs and the development partners like UNICEF and Zapigo. 3, a B2C model where our product can be available for the urban segment via online channels and the over-the-counter pharmacies. 4, it can be a B2B where our high value IP generated from the Cerelia Nutritech can be licensed to the existing dermal players, wherein we can attract the investors and at the same time develop revenue for the future pipeline development. So far in the 3 years of inception of Cerelia Nutritech, we have managed to raise 4 grant fundings and 15 awards, wherein we were able to de-risk our technology, the proof of concept in animals. Thank you. Cerelia Nutritech envisions to augment the global efforts for the Sustainable Development Goals 2 and 3. Our mission is to develop frugally innovative solutions to alleviate the micronutrient deficiency status. Cerelia Nutritech was incorporated in the year 2016 with a team of 3. At present, our team size is 8 people, 2 mentors, 4 partners, and 3 advisors. Myself, Kiran Uppala, is the CEO, co-founder, BIRAC Social Innovator, completed my Masters in Biotechnology in the year 2010. Post that, I worked for 8 years in different premier research universities and institutes wherein I bring my project management investment experience to the table.
Hi, I'm Ruchi, the CTO and co-founder for Cerelia Nutritech. I am Masters in Pharmacy and I have 5 years of experience in pharmaceutical product development. Along with me in the core R&D team of Cerelia are 3 more research associates who are Masters in Biotechnology and Masters in Pharmacy. Mr. Meghraj, Mr. Prathamesh, and Ms. Nilanjana. We have two mentors, Dr. Veena Kaul, who's the HOD for Biomedical Engineering, IIT Delhi, and Dr. Supriya Shade, who's the principal for Vivekananda Education Society's College of Pharmacy, Bombay. Along with this, we have a partner, Dabur Research Foundation, who's the CRO partner for carrying out all our preclinical and stability activities, and Adastra IP, who are doing the patent landscaping for us.
The third co-founder, Deepthi Mohanty, is a public health expert and has numerous experience in monitoring and evaluation of the livelihood projects and the health projects in different states of India. Mr. Nikhil, he is the director for the strategy development, and Mr. Animesh Patro, he is the finance head. And our advisors include Vijay Simha, who advises in the strategy, Dr. Suranjan Bhattacharya, a clinician from Bisam Katak Hospital, and Dr. YK Gupta, who advises in the technical aspects, and Mr. Sushil Chaube, who advises in the regulatory aspects. Thank you.